Hi, I'm back, guys. I'm so sorry. I was getting a call from my husband regarding my daughter, so I had to take that. I'm so sorry to interrupt, but so you guys are gonna see this in two separate videos, so I apologize for that. Okay, where were we? So sorry. We were en número 5. No sé qué mercado tiene una olla, pero Sofía dice que no voy a pagar más de 70 pesos. I'm not going to pay more than 70 pesos. So again, you may have to keep reading a little bit to kind of give you hints as to what word may go in that blank. And since we're doing this together, you guys are probably not doing a lot of the, figuring it out, just making sense of the words in those blanks to kind of complete this letter. Si Sofía tiene razón, if Sophia is right, remember we learned about those idiomatic phrases, tiene razón, if she is right, voy a tener suficiente dinero, blank, comprar algo para mi papá también. So, para comprar algo para mi papá también. To show purpose. I'm going to have enough money to buy something for my dad as well. Él prefiere, he prefers, los blank. So here, he prefers, not precio, artículos de cuero maybe, right? Él prefiere los artículos de cuero. He prefers the leather goods. So she's going to have to look somewhere else, right? Have to find what are two things that on our list that could be considered leather goods. Entonces, then, voy a comprar una blank o un blank. So here I need to have a feminine item and here a masculine item. So let's see. We have our leather goods, our cartera and cinturón. So entonces voy a comprar una cartera. That's my feminine one. O un cinturón. Cinturón is my masculine now. So that's going to go along with my masculine article there. Entonces voy a comprar una cartera o un cinturón para él, for him. So he prefers leather goods. Then I'm going to buy a wallet or a belt for him. Ay, son las 8. Me tengo que ir. Sofía me está esperando. Hasta pronto, Rosa. So now we can go back and read our letter here to see if we can make sense of what is being said. Okay? So, querida Emiliana, hoy voy al mercado con mi prima Sofía. Tengo que comprar un regalo de cumpleaños para mi mamá. Ella quiere una olla negra. No sé qué. You know what, you guys? Ay. See, that's why this is difficult to make these online videos, because I make a mistake and then I can't fix it. I made a mistake. Hopefully some of you guys have maybe caught that already. Número 5, I will not repeat mercado. The word there, no sé qué precio. See, we didn't use the word precio. I don't know what price the ollas have. I don't know why I didn't catch that later. I'm sorry, guys. Número 5 is actually precio. Remember, precio means price. So, she needs to buy a black pot, una olla negra. No sé qué precio tiene una olla. See, we're talking about money. I don't see how I can catch that. Sorry. No sé qué precio tiene una olla. Pero Sofía dice que no voy a pagar más de 70 pesos. Now that makes much more sense, right? Si Sofía tiene razón, voy a tener suficiente dinero para comprar algo para mi papá también. Él prefiere los artículos de cuero. Entonces voy a comprar una cartera o un cinturón para él. ¡Ay! Son las 8. Me tengo que ir. Sofía me está esperando. Hasta pronto, Rosa. So now we completed our carta to make sense about what's being purchased. And we also have our vocabulario list that we can use later on when it's time to review for our test. All right, very good. So now let's go ahead and complete Actividad 4. In Actividad 4, muchachos, I'm going to leave for you guys to work on your own. Okay, we'll do the first one together. I'll kind of walk you through the instructions here, and then I will like for you guys to work on this on your own. Okay, so in Actividad 4, it says, trabajas en una tienda grande. Acaban de llegar algunos artículos nuevos. Dile a otro vendedor a dónde llevar los artículos. Cambien de papel. Then you won't be switching papers, but your hint here is tell where the items go. So you're going to be given an item. Here's my model. You're going to be giving an item. Here we have botas. You remember botas means boots. So the conversation you're going to create here for each of these items in número 4 is you ask, again, the activity said that you work in a store, at a large store, and you are asking your boss or your coworker where those items go. Where in the store can I place these items? So that's your question. ¿A dónde llevo las botas? To where do I take the boots? That's where that a dónde means, and llevo means to take. To where do I take the boots? And your coworker or your boss is going to respond you where to take them. Al departamento de artículos de cuero, por favor. So they're telling you to the department of leather goods, please. So you may be asking, well, how do I know where to take them? You have 4 choices here. These are the 4 departments in your store. Your department of ropa. And you may actually want to write this down in your notes as well. So el departamento de ropa is clothing. El departamento de artículos de cuero, I'm just going to write cuero for space sake. Cuero means leather goods. Then we have our joyas. You recall joyas is jewelry. So our jewelry department. And para la casa, cosas para la casa means home goods. So things that you may need have in your home. Okay? Alright, so now that we have our 4 departments in our tienda, in our store, let's figure out where we're going to be putting those items. So for example, número 1, I said we're going to be doing the number 1 together. Carteras. Remember, carteras means wallets. So you're going to be asking, as a store worker, you're going to be asking the following question. This is tú. This is you asking that question. That's número 1. ¿A dónde llevo las carteras? So all I did was I took my item and I plugged it into my, remember our model here? I plugged it into my model sentence. ¿A dónde llevo las carteras? The worker, your coworker, is going to respond where to put them. And again, I'm just going to follow this model here and then filling in the blank with whatever department it goes to. So las carteras, I'm going to say al departamento, I'm telling you what department to take it to, de, do you remember what las carteras was? What kind of good was that? Las carteras, we said, was leather goods, right? So I'm going to take them to the leather goods department, los artículos de cuero. So again, al departamento de artículos de cuero, por favor. Take them to the department of leather goods, please. And you're going to be doing the same thing, writing this conversation down between you and your coworker about where to place the following items. And you may need to go back to the vocabulary list to kind of figure out what these words mean. Some of them are in the vocab list from Actividad 3. Some of them are not. For example, platos. That may not be in your vocabulary from Actividad 3. You may have to go back to the vocabulary list that we went over a little bit earlier. So platos means plates, so that may have to go in home goods, right? Pantalones means pants, so that's going to go in the clothing department. So you're just having that conversation and writing them down between you and your coworker as to where these items in the store, which department they could be placed in. Okay? Once you're done with that, muchachos, 1 through 11 in your notebooks, if you guys see yourself with some time, I did add the 4.2 vocabulary on Quizlet to you all. So please go ahead and log into Quizlet once you're done with Actividad 4, where you're going to be kind of introduced to the entire vocabulary list to start going over that. Okay? That is it for me today, muchachos. If you guys have any questions about your assignments or anything comes up over the weekend, please make sure to let me know. And then next week, we're kind of look over our grammar and then start our review for our final. So you guys have a great rest of the day, and I'll see you guys, talk to you guys soon. Adios.